playing Running Simulator, and I made this, but on my normal account. Well, this is my account, I made it. If you just go on it, it'll work. But I made it the other day, so yeah, I only got 1 like right now. But I'm putting it on YouTube, so you guys know what it is. And yeah, new avatar. I know. Hold on. I'm really good at it, I promise. I'm just trying to get fixed. Okay, that's better. And, it's not working. Okay. It's not letting me jump. Oh. I think it's telling me to go like this now into the iPad. They want me to go into the iPad mode. Oh my god! I've done it and it didn't work. No. No, guys. I need 7,000. Oh no, I'm jumping. Okay, good. Okay. Woo. And woo. Oh god. Oh god, that's so bad. Okay. Ooh. Okay, that's better. Okay, guys, if you can hear me, hi. Okay. Guys, I haven't told you in ages, but me and Eva. So I'm actually 9, and the Eva's actually 7. So yeah, just to let you know, it's not her age, but she told me to, so I did it. But I'm actually no. I'm actually 8 years old and she's 7. Jesus, I forgot my own age. No. So yeah, go check out this game. It's the best game. Not the best game when you die, but it's really good. Gotta say. Oh yeah. But I gotta end it in here. I know it's 9 or whatever. But yeah.